Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to extract the extension from a file name in Python. So let's get started. As you know, Python comes with the OS module that allows a wide branch of features and compatibility that we can use while working with the operating system of our device. So first thing, let me import the OS module, and now I'm going to use a method called as os.path, and this path has a function called as split text, and this split text will simply take a file name as an argument. So let's say I create a file name called as index.html and I want to find this extension. Now the best part of this function is it returns two data. One is the name of the file and the second is the extension. So now let me create two variables. One is file name and the other one, let me save it as extension. And now I'm equating these both files to the return statement created to the data that is returned by this function, that is os.path split text. And now all I got to do is print these values on my output window. And just notice the spelling of the word split text. It's spelled as split plus ext, and this is the function that will return the value. And if I run this, as you can see, we're getting two values. One is the name of the file and the second one is the extension. So let me just format it in a better approach so that you guys can understand. And let me add in another string saying that file name, and let me place a comma and add another string saying that extension name. And now if I run it, as you can see, it says index is the file name and HTML is the .html is the extension name. Isn't this really simple? So that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.